Hi, another work from home na naman ang ating pag-uusapan. So, ito ang e-moderators. Kung mahilig ka mag-type at madali kang mag-reply sa mga clients, is bagay na bagay ang ka dito. So, ito ang e-moderators. Looking to work from home, e-moderators offers you the chance to earn an income from home. With the highest rates, you can find up to €24. Start today. So what do we offer? Working as a moderator gives you the opportunity to earn money from day one. You can work when you want and from wherever you want. Choose your own hours. You are your own boss. Our moderators can work then. Uh, our moderators can work when and where they want. Competitive salary, whether this is your main job or it's an additional source of income, you will appreciate that we pay the best rates in the industry, and we also pay weekly. Freedom of work from whatever you want, either at home, either at home or on a Caribbean beach. All you need is your computer and internet connection. So about us, eModerators in an international consolidated company, we are the world leader in content moderator for online websites. Our company provides high quality chat services to our customers through the interaction of our professional moderator team. Our main objective is to make sure that our clients have a unique great experience. E- E-moderators are proud to say that they have one of the highest hiring rates in the adult social networking industry. Our company has a solid base of employees working for us. However, due to our constant growth, we are always searching for new home-based workers. Our goal is to provide the opportunity to freelance workers to have consistent income. We believe it is important to provide the best working environment available. Our support team is devoted to providing excellent training in order to motivate our employees and guide them in the right direction. So we feel it is essential that all our employees have the opportunity to clear up any doubts they have about their work. This will be this will then enable them to achieve their best result. Our team makes the difference. Our company is looking for responsible, committed, and free-thinking employees. Our philosophy is a happy worker is a productive worker. The key to attracting high-quality employees is to have an excellent account department. We have a serious, well-structured, and trustworthy accounts department. We pride ourselves on making all your payments on time and for the correct amount. This is another reason why we are the number one company on the market. When we're working with us, will not be tied down to a contract. You will have the flexible of choosing your own hours that better suits your lifestyle. Do not miss this opportunity to join. So, do you want to apply for a position? Go to application page. So, tingnan natin yung application page nila. So the role of a chat moderator is to engage in text-based chats on adult social networks. The objectives of the role is to help entertain the user with stimulating conversation to encourage the engagement of long-lasting relationship. The key factors we are looking for are the ability to create and develop an imaginative and engaging experience for the user, to build rapport, and to ensure the customer has a positive experience whilst using the site. The job also offer you the chance to earn up to 24 euro cents per message. So this is the this, application form. You have to fill in your name, email address, age, nationality, country of residence, select the country, Microsoft Teams, availability according to set time, and working experience. So that's it. Yun lang yung share ko about this e-moderator. And if you want more um, information about this website, you can search at Google. So thank you, and please don't forget to like and subscribe sa aking channel so we will you will be notified. Just click the notification bell and you will be notified if ever na mag-upload ulit ako ng video. So thank you guys.